What it do, man? We back in this thing.
What's up, what's up?
Ready for another video. Today, we are putting in these bulbs, these LED bulbs for the Beast. They finally came in. They are from Auxbeam. That is today's sponsor of the video. Auxbeam, they sell all kind of LED bulbs, LED light bars, all kind of stuff, fog lights, anything you could think of for all makes and models of vehicles. They have it going on. I have purchased quite a few kits from them, and they sent us these to use in this dually and the wife's Yukon over there. So we need to get those changed out. Those are a little harder. Passenger side is pretty easy. Driver side takes a little work. So I will probably do those another day. Don't have enough time. The light is escaping us fast. But since I already did the hard part of putting the actual headlight housings in, all I gotta do is pop them out and replace all the bulbs. I have some new 3157s to put in as well, so everything should be new. I thought about going LEDs with these, but I don't really know why I didn't go LED. I ain't got no explanation for that. But we're gonna get it cracking. We're gonna put these 9006s go in the Beast. These will be the low beam. So we'll show y'all what the low beams look like.
Ooh, that looks good. Ooh.
All right, so that's regular.
Yeah.
That's high beam, that's all of them.
Mm-hmm.
So that's regular bulbs right there. So we will take all this stuff out and get it swapped over and see how everything looks. You ready for your physical, boy?
Oh, nah, I already got that.
All right, here go the Auxbeam 9006 bulbs. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So dope. Let's see what we got here. I've used a few of these over the years. So this is the first one. Let's see if it goes in like it's supposed to. Big side to big side. Yeah, that clicked in good. So this is the low beam. The 9006 are the low beam, the 9005 is the high beam. So I did order the right thing for the low beam. I'll probably get me a, well, I was gonna say a zip tie, but I think I can fit that.
Daddy.
Yeah.
I want to TikTok on my TV.
Oh yeah? Well, ain't there something? Man, I can't get them out of there. Might help if I plug that one in. All right, there it is. Barely fits. The base of that LED barely fits in that bad boy.
There you go.
There we go. Back
in there. That thing wanted to stay free.
All right, flip the switch, bro. All right, there go the low beams. All right, turn it back to the one you just had it on. Do it one more time. All right, now hit the high beam. Turn the high beam off. All right, turn those off. Flip it back off. There you go. Now put it back on. Looks good. Ooh, y'all can see me good now. Ooh, man. Yeah, that's some good light. What's up, peoples? But yeah, we got it in, man. I think it's good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and order some high beam or hit the representative, see if they can send me some high beams. We still gotta do my wife's low beams on her truck. Hopefully I can do those in the next couple of days and mash all this up and get a nice video together. But once again, props to Auxbeam. Thank you for sponsoring this video. If y'all need any lights at all, high beam, low beam, LED light bars, fog lights, whatever, hit up Auxbeam. I actually got to get some LED fog lights for the wife's truck as well, wherever it's at. Over there somewhere, I can't even see. But we're gonna get those too. So that's it for right now. Hopefully we'll check back in with y'all soon and we'll have both trucks done and completed. We'll holler at y'all later on. Peace!
One eternity later.
What it do, y'all? We back in this thing. Currently working on the wife's Yukon. As you can see, she's in dire need of a headlight upgrade. Passenger side working, driver side is out. We are currently out here hanging out.
What's up, what's up?
We got Auxbeam H11 kit we are gonna install on this thing. We appreciate Auxbeam for sponsoring this video. We're gonna get it put on. What you think?
Yeah, because I need my lights to work.
She needs her lights to work. She is a simple lady. She just needs her lights to work. That's all she says. But we're gonna get these things installed. It doesn't look like it's too hard of a process. This is not a how-to. So I'm just gonna jump right in, try to get it all figured out, get them on, and then we're gonna kind of see what kind of improvement we got. Auxbeam always coming through in the clutch. They make good kits, good lights, so we appreciate them once again. But let's get started and see how it goes. We're gonna unbox these Auxbeams.
Rose gold.
Yeah, it looks good. So what we gotta do on this truck, most people, they take out the inner fender wells on both sides. Right here, take out the clips, then you can access behind the light by actually pulling the light out when you take the light bolts out. One here, one here. But on the passenger side, I saw that you can take this air box out much easier, and then you can access the light, the bulb, while the light is still attached. But on the driver's side, you do have to take the clips out and remove the light. Take the light out, then you can access the bulb and change it. So I'm gonna do that on this side, and I'm gonna take the box out on that side, then we'll get them installed and see how they look. All right, we got it out. Whew. It's tight up under here. That's sharp, so you got to be careful. It scratched it up a little bit, but didn't break it, so we good. Got to get it out from behind here. So this piece of the headlight tucks behind that, so that's why I had to take this out. I ended up taking a couple of these grill bolts off, and then over here, that flap comes back, and the bulb is right in there. So I'm gonna get them swapped out, and we'll check out the outcome. Y'all wanna know a funny story? 1 hour after fooling with all that, these are the wrong lights. So I need H13. I went back through the email. That's what I told them, H13, and somebody sent me H11s, and I didn't realize it. I just figured it was right. So I just wasted a lot of time. So I'm gonna leave this like this. Hopefully they can send me something pretty quick, because I do not want to do all that again. And I do not want to go back with regular lights from the parts store. So we're gonna give it a few days. Hopefully Auxbeam can get them sent to us pretty quickly. We'll get them installed and be done with this project. Check back with y'all later. All right, man, we back in here a couple days later. We got the right stuff, H13, Auxbeam. They look exactly like the other ones. Just got the proper size, proper fitting right there. I'm gonna get these installed. I also went ahead and ordered some fog lights, man. Since I'm in here, might as well go and do this, because it's hard to get those out. You almost got to take the lights out or take the fender wells out. One or the other. It's pretty difficult, pretty time consuming to just put these in. So I might as well do it all right now. So I ordered these off of Amazon. I actually paid for these, and these are H16 5202 bulbs, LEDs that we will get installed.
Gonna be right.
And she should have a hell of a better lighting experience at night. So
Yes, sir.
let me get these installed, and we'll see how they look. All right, we got everything put back together and buttoned up. We're gonna give it a shot. We got King Bray behind the wheel. Cut the headlights on, Bray.
Right.
Oh yeah, it looks good right there. All right, hit the fog lights. It's a good touch right there now. All right, turn them both off. All right, now fog lights only. Yeah, that's pretty killer. What you think?
I like it.
Yes, sir.
Auxbeam got some good stuff.
Auxbeam, we appreciate that, man. Thanks for sponsoring this video. If y'all need anything lighting related for your car, light bars, headlights, fog lights, whatever you need, they can get you taken care of. We appreciate y'all sponsoring this video. Y'all go check out the website, www.auxbeam.com, and they'll get you squared away. We'll holler at y'all later. Peace! Anytime I'm up under the hood, well, I like to go on and spray it off too. Helps keep the engine clean. So this one looks a whole lot better. And I'll end up pulling up the dually over here too and do it as well. I just sprayed it with the Purple Power. Let it sit for a few seconds, then spray it off. Helps keep it clean, man. They get dusty and dirty relatively quickly out here in Georgia. But that's nice there. So go ahead and it's been soaking for a little bit. It's just some little bonus footage, man. It's been soaking for a little bit. Let's see what we're looking like. They're all behind the engine and everywhere. I just use that clean, then I flip it over to garden. There we go. Rinse all that soap off. Boy, it'll be looking good then. And crank them up. Help facilitate drying it off.
Take care of big.
Keep them looking spiffy. All right, that's it. 2 clean engines. I'll let y'all later.